Part of being an EWS lab consultant is you are expected to clean at least one workstation for every hour you work. I'll be showing you the correct procedure on how to clean a workstation. First step is to grab all of your supplies from the supply cabinet. You should have 2 spray bottles, one with 409 cleaner, one with Windex. You'll have a canister of disinfecting wipes, and you'll have 2 paper products. You'll have a roll of paper towels and a box of Kim wipes. First step is to clean the monitor. Take a Kim wipe and spray it down with Windex. You'll be wiping off the screen, and you never want to spray the Windex directly on the screen. Always spray the Kim wipe first. It's easiest to see the smudges and dirt on the screen if the screen is off, so turn it off and wipe down the entire front of the screen, getting all the edges and the corners, making sure you wipe off all the smudges and dirt. While your Kim wipe is still wet with Windex, wipe off the rest of the screen, including the edges, getting the back of the screen, getting the stand, making sure you get all the dust and dirt off of it. Once you're done, make sure your monitor is back on. Next, we'll clean the mouse and keyboard. Start by taking your keyboard, flipping it upside down, and banging it a few times on the desk to get all the crumbs and dirt out of the keys. Then take a disinfecting wipe and wipe down the entire surface of the keyboard, making sure you push down on all the keys, getting all the dirt off. Also make sure you wipe off the back, getting the dirt off the back. It's paying a special close attention to the little pads on the underside, which accumulate dirt easily. And do the same thing with the mouse. Wipe off the entire surface of the mouse, also making sure you get the bottom. And if there is a mouse pad, you should also wipe off the mouse pad with the disinfecting wipe. Next, you want to set your keyboard and mouse off to the side as we'll be cleaning the desk. Rip off a piece of paper towel and take your 409 cleaner and spray down the entire surface of the desk. Wipe off all of the desk, including you make sure you get underneath the monitor, which means you'll have to lift it up a little bit. As well as underneath the computer itself if it's on the desk. Once you wipe off the desk, you should wipe off the computer itself, making sure you get the sides, the top, and the front, making sure you get all the dust off. If the computer is in a sling, which means it'll be mounted underneath the desk either on the left or right hand side, after you wipe it off, you should also make sure all the levers are tight and that the computer is straight inside the sling so it won't fall off. Next step is to take another paper towel with some cleaner and wipe off your chair. This means wiping the arms, getting the sides, dusting off the back, and most importantly, wiping off the legs of the chair. A lot of dirt gets on these from people's shoes. Make sure you wipe off all the dirt on the bottom. Once you're done cleaning everything, straighten everything back out. Put your keyboard and mouse back. Make sure your monitor is on and straight. Your workstation is straight on the desk or in its sling. Now put your supplies away and mark the machine you cleaned on LabTrack.